welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today we've got a crochet tutorial for you and I'm going to be showing you my absolute favourite crochet stitch. This is half treble crochet. It's a nice speedy one and it's also known as half double crochet in the US. I've started off by making my foundation chain. Our sample's just got 10, and then what you want to do with half treble crochet is add 2 extra chains, and this will be our turning chain. This will be the height for it. So there we go, we've added 2. To get us started, we want to yarn around the hook, and then you're going to miss 2 chains. Remember, your foundation row is always a little bit different, so we miss 2. Then in that 3rd chain from the hook, put your hook in, yarn around again, pull through 1 loop. Then this is what makes half treble different. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. We'll do that again in the next stitch. Yarn over, hook through the stitch, yarn over again, pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 3. If you're struggling to start with, you can just, pull 1 at a time over. I'll do another and then I will meet you at the end of the row. You can see why it's my favourite stitch, because it's interesting, it's quick, and it does create a nice bit of height as well as you're going along. Fabulous, so you've just done your last stitch and we are now at the end of the row. And to get the height, you want to chain 2 and then we'll turn. So like with any other bit of crochet, there's 2 options you've got here. If you want to carry those chains up the side, that's absolutely fine. You can just go into the next stitch, this one here. Just remember not to then crochet into the chains up the side, otherwise we'll be all squiffy and you'll have more stitches than you intend. If you want these 2 turning chains to be part of the crochet, then you'll miss that 1st stitch, and just remember to do that, and then remember on the row back that those 2 chains were meant to be a stitch, so you don't end up with less than you intended. So I'll have it as part of my crochet, so yarn over, missing that 1st one because we're pretending these chains are the 1st stitch, into the 2nd one from the hook, yarn over again, pull through the 1st loop, yarn over and pull through all 3, and then you'll just carry on as normal to the end. I really hope you like half treble crochet or half double crochet if you're in the US as much as I do. It's a really quick and easy stitch. I've done whole blankets in this stitch actually. I absolutely love it. Thank you for joining us for today's tutorial. If you'd like to help support small creators, it's absolutely free, and what you can do is go and download and make the little chunky pumpkin crochet pattern, if we can say it, and that uses the stitch that we've done today. Thank you and take good care.